Hi guys, welcome back to another polymer clay tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make knot stud earrings. So all you're going to need for this is some polymer clay, and then you're going to need your tissue knife. Okay, we're going to move that tissue knife out of the way and then start working with our clay. So I like to break this small piece. It's already small, but I break it in half again. It just makes it a lot easier to work with. And then we're going to get started on rolling this out into a long snake. So in terms of size, it's about 1/8 of an inch in diameter, I would say. That's just my estimated guess. But when you're eyeballing this, if this is the way that you choose to do it, you just want to make sure that it's not too thin to where it's going to tear. And you also don't want it to be so thick that it's really hard to tie the knots. If you do have a clay extruder, by all means, you can use that. Mine is broken and I'm saving up for a newer, better one. So today we're just gonna roll the clay by hand. Okay, so once we have our size right, now we're gonna make our knot. So you're gonna take one end, go behind and make a little loop, and then bring that end up and over. Okay, and kind of hold it underneath there and use your fingers underneath to kind of form your knot as you pull the long end through. Okay, and now what we need to do is decide which way we want our tail to go. So for me, I prefer mine to go to the right but down a little bit. I just like the way that looks. And then I cut mine with my tissue knife at an angle. And the reason I do this is because it's a lot easier to kind of push the clay together. That way, once it bakes, it's hardened and it's together and you know it's secure and not gonna come apart. So we're gonna just kind of work this a little bit and make sure we have the shape we want, and then go ahead and make another one. Okay, now we have both of them formed and they look really cute. We are going to set these aside, and then I'm actually going to go ahead and mix some more colors, and then I'm going to bake all of these at 275 for 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, our earrings are all done. They're so cute and so trendy. They make me so happy. I just really love these earrings. So I wanted to tell you, since I didn't show you on video, for the backs, I use 8mm posts and I secure them with E6000 glue. Now you can use the glue of your choice, but I found that this size post is best for these earrings. In my opinion, you might find something that you like better. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial today. If you're interested in seeing more polymer clay tutorials, just hit that subscribe button and make sure you click the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I do more. Thanks guys, bye.